Carolina Crossfit, meeting up with some people. Erik and Riley, I think Mel, about to get a workout in with these guys down in Columbia. I'm excited to meet them face to face, for real this time. You'll see.
What's up, dude?
Dude, what's up, man? You got the good dap, dude. That was
glad to be here. I had no idea you were coming. I know. I like to sneak in. I like to surprise people.
Why not? You gotta keep tagging them and shit till they get you.
I know, now I got you, now you.
The days that aren't as bad, it's like we're so wrestling, right?
We've had to discuss that, like, maybe we shouldn't go so hard on shit.
We had this conversation
not too long ago.
South Carolina. We're going, I got Riley, I got Erik, Jason, myself, all doing it with the media crew back here, and we're just gonna pick a random WOD. We're gonna pick a random training gear from previous weeks, months, see how it goes. We gotta make sure we have the right gear though. That's the only thing. And I don't have my pants on, I'm already sweating like crazy.
Doing 10 rounds. It was eeny, meeny, miny, mo. No preference. It was up to chance. It was up to fate. So I scrolled up and down the Training Gear Task Instagram page, and then I just hit the button, and this was a workout that popped up.
The stunts in this movie. Hey, shut the f*** up!
Repping one out with the boys. Solid. Crew's right here. Still marinating in their oven mitts. I got mine off. Until next time, we out.